Hi, I'm Charlie, and I am an AI intern at RocketRide. As we all know, the internet is flooded with short-form content such as TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And let's say you want to extract key findings from hundreds or even thousands of these all at once. So what I'm about to show is how I can build a pipeline in RocketRide Cloud to handle this problem. So as an example, I have a bunch of clips of World Cup-related highlights. Let's just check out a couple of these. That's just from a match, and then let's say we also have other content like predictions like this one.
Asia Cup champions Qatar, and then Bosnia who...
Okay, so yeah, anyway, I'll create a new pipeline. I'll select the starting point to be a dropper so that I can drop the videos into the dropper. The data, we will parse it, and then we will specify that it's a video. This will go through the transcribe node. This will then be put as a question, and then the question will be fed into a prompt. The prompts can go through any LLM, but for this case, we'll just use OpenAI as an example. And then lastly, the answers will just return answers. So let me get the OpenAI API key, and then I'll be back 1 second. All right, so yeah, once you provide the API key and save, then the pipeline's ready. First I have to put in a prompt. So I have a prompt that will just basically make it so that it will get a transcript of the video and then turn this into a summary. We'll save that, and then now we can run the pipeline. We'll just name it key moment. And then yeah, so let's say we want to change other settings in the other nodes. So for example, the transcribe node, we can change the model if we want to prioritize speed over accuracy or the other way around. We have options to make those trade-offs. And then we also can change the VAD level. So this will make it how aggressive like the filtering of like background noise in the video is. So yeah, the pipeline will run, and then yeah, we can just see anything else we want. And then now that it's ready, we can drop now. We can just upload all the videos into the dropper. It will do all these in parallel, and while it's going, we can see other things like the status of CPU and GPU memory. We can actually see the tokens as they're being processed. We can see the flow. We can see the trace. This is every single video, what's going on in each node as it goes through the pipeline. We can also change the trace level if we want to see how comprehensive we make this trace. And yeah, once these videos are done, we will then be able to see the answers. So let's say this one, for example, we see the transcript here, and then we see the key moment, which is I'm part Swiss as well. Yeah, so we can see that for all of these. And yeah, so this is just a simple example of what you can do using RocketRide Cloud. The possibilities are pretty endless. We have a complete node catalog, which goes over everything like agents, databases, embeddings, LLMs, memory, vector store, pretty much anything you can think of. So yeah, go ahead and try out RocketRide Cloud at rocketride.ai. Thank you.